Welcome to HESI Test Prep online lesson series. In this lesson, we'll go over math section of the HESI test. In this video, we'll go over 18 math questions for the HESI A2 test prep. We'll cover decimals, how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimals. We'll learn fraction, we'll learn convert decimal to fraction, fraction to decimals. We'll also learn fraction addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Before you start, make sure that you have a notebook and a pen so you could write some very important information from the video that will help you to prepare for the test. And then download this application called HESI Prep from App Store or Google Play. It has a homework on lesson 1, so you could practice those and you could take practice test on it. It has also pre-prediction test that will tell you if you're ready to take the actual test or not. So let's get started.
So let's start with the question number 1 with the addition of two decimal numbers. So we need to write down the number. It's 23.65 and 8. So here we're gonna add 0 point. So we need to maintain the alignment of the decimals. So otherwise it will be give us wrong answer. So here 0.65 and 8. So we will add the two numbers here. 8 plus 8 equals to 16. 6 is here and 1 is a carry for the next digit. So here 5 plus 5 equals to 10 plus carry 1 equals to 11. So here 1 comes and another 1 is a carry for the next digit. So here 6 plus 6 equals to 12 plus carry 1 equals to 13. Here 3 comes and carry 1 for the next digit. So here the point will come and the 3 plus 1 equals to 4 plus 1. So here the 4 comes and here there's no value, so we're gonna 2 plus 0 equals to 2. So now check the answer. So here the answer is 24.316. So this is the answer. Let's check the answer for this addition. So here the answer is D. Now come to another question number 2. Here subtraction of the two decimal numbers. So first we will write down the number here 0.569 and 8. So now we need to subtract 0.39. So to match with the upper digit we need to write down two zeros. So now we will subtract from 0.5698 minus 0.933900. So here 8 minus 0 equals to 8. 9 minus 0 equals to 9. So here 6 is less than 9, so we need to borrow 1 from the next digit. So here it's become a 16. 16 minus 9 equals to 7. So here we have borrowed 1, so it's a negative 1 for this digit. So 5 minus 1, it's become a 4. So 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So here we need to put the point, and here we will 0 minus 0 equals to 0. So now check the answer. The answer is B. So 0.1798 is the answer. So let's check the answer for this subtraction. Yes, here's the answer is B, 0.1798. Now let's go to the question number 3. Here the multiplication of two decimal numbers. So here 43.87 multiplied with 7.9. So we just forget about the decimals and we will write down like this way. It's 43 and will not put down the decimals. So here simply write down the 87. So now multiply with 7. It's a 7.9 in the real time, so we will write down the 7 9. So now multiply with 79 multiply with 4387. So 9 times 7 equals to 63. It's 3 comes and 6 is a carry for next digit. So now 9 times 8 equals to 72 plus 6 equals to 78. It's 8 comes and 7 is a carry for next digit. So 9 times 3 equals to 27 plus carry 7 equals to 34. 4 comes here and 3 is a carry for next digit. So 9 times 4 equals to 36 plus 3 equals to 39. So now we need to skip one digit for the next number. So we will put down 0 from the right side. Now come to 7 times 7 equals to 49. Here 9 comes, 4 is a carry for next digit. 7 times 8 equals to 56 plus 4 equals to 60. Here the 0 comes and 6 is a carry for next digit. 7 times 3 equals to 21 plus carry 6 equals to 27. Here the 7 comes and 2 is a carry for the next digit. Now 7 times 4 equals to 28 plus 2 equals to 30. Here we will write down 30. Now we need to add the both numbers. So it's a 3 plus 0 equals to 3. 9 plus 8 equals to 17. Here 7 comes and 1 is a carry for next digit. Now 4 plus 1 plus 0 equals to 5. So now it's a 9 plus 7 equals to 16. Here 6 comes and 1 is a carry for the next digit. 3 plus 1 plus 0 equals to 4. Now 3, there's no number, so 3 will come down. So now we need to calculate the decimals. So here the 2 digit and here's the 1 digit for decimals. So we need to put down the decimal from the right side to left side. 3 digit we need to skip. So here we will put down the decimal. So now check the answer. So the answer is B. So it's a B is the answer, 346.573. Okay, let's come to check. So here's the answer is B, 346.573. Now let's go to the question number 4. It's a division for 2 decimal numbers. So here we will write down the first like this way. It's a 6.72 divided by 1.2. So we will skip one digit from left side to right side, the decimals like this way. Here also we will do the same. So now we will get 12 divided to 67.2. So here first we will multiply 12 with 5. So 5 times 12 equals to 60. So here 5 comes here and 5 times 12 equals to 60. And we need to match the upper digit, so we will put here a 0. Now we need to subtract. Here 2 minus 0 equals to 2. And point comes and 7 minus 0 equals to 7. So 7.2 is less than 12. So we need to remove the point. So we will put a point here. So 5 point. Here we will remove the point. So it's a 72 divided by 12. So 12 multiply with 6 equals to 72. So here we need to put the 6 and 6 times 12 equals to 72. So 72 minus 72 equals to 0. So here the answer is B, 5.6. So let's go to the next question, number 5. So here we need to check. It's the option B. And let's go to question number 5. Find the quotient rounded to the 100th. Here first write down 8.1 divided by 0.238. So here we need to move the 3 digit. So here from the decimal we need to skip 3 digit. So first write down like this way, 8.1, here only 1 digit, so we need to skip 3 digit. So here we need to put 20 divide by 0.238. So now we can skip from left side to right side 3 digit. So we will get now 8100 divided by 238. So we will just remove all those things, and now we will write down like this way. It's a 8100 divided by 238. So first we're gonna take 34.03. So we need to multiply with 238 into 34. So 8 times 4 equals to 32. Here 2 comes and 3 is a carry for next digit, and 4 times 3 equals to 12 plus 3 equals to 15. Here 5 comes and 1 is a carry for next digit. So here 4 times 2 equals to 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So here we need to skip for the next digit. So 0 comes and 3 times 8 equals to 24. 4 comes here, and here 2 is a carry for next digit. So here 3 times 3 equals to 9 plus 2 equals to 11. 1 comes here, and 1 is a carry for next digit. So here 3 times 2 equals to 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So now we need to add the two numbers. Here 2 comes, 2.2 plus 0 equals to 2, and 5 plus 4 equals to 9, and 9 plus 1 equals to 10. So 0 comes and 1 is a carry for next digit. So 7 plus 1 equals to 8. So 238 times 34 equals to 8092. Now we need to subtract from the 8100 to 8092. So 0 is less than 2, so we will borrow 1. It's a 10. 10 minus 2 equals to 8. Now we have borrowed 1, so it's a negative 1, so we'll borrow from the next digit. So it's a 10. 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Now it's a 9. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. And here it's a negative 1 for the reason of borrow. So 1 minus 1 equals to 0. And here we have borrowed 1. Sorry, there's no borrowing. Here 8 minus 8 equals to 0. So it's a positive 8. Before the positive number, there's no value of 0. So we will just keep the number 8. So 8 is less than 238. So first we will take a 0. Against the 0 we will put a decimal. So now 80 is also less than 238. So we will take another 0 here, and we will put a 0 after 80. So now it's become a 800. Now we will calculate the 238. How many times 238 will be divided by 800? So 238 multiply with 3. 8 times 3 equals to 24. So 4 comes, and 2 is a carry for next digit, and 3 times 3 equals to 9 plus 2 equals to 11. 1 comes, and 1 is a carry for next digit. It's 2. So 3 times 2 equals to 6 plus 1 equals to 7. It's 714. So now we need to write down here 3, and 3 times 238 equals to 714. So now it's a 0, so we will borrow 1. Now it's become a 10. So it's a 10 minus 4 equals to 6. So now here a negative 1 for the reason of borrow. So we will take a 1 or borrow a 1 from the next digit. So it's a 10 minus 1 minus borrowed 1 equals to 9. 9 minus 1 equals to 8. So here we have borrowed 1, it's a negative 1 for this digit, and 8 minus 1 equals to 7. 7 minus 7 equals to 0. So there is no value before the positive number. So it's 86, and here we will get the answer. The answer is A. The answer is 34.03. Let's check the answer for this math. So here the question number 5, the answer is 34.03. Now come to question number 6. Which fraction is equivalent to 9 divided by 11? So first write down 9 divided by 11. So here 45. Let's check 45 divided by 9 equals to 5. So here we will multiply with 5. So which number we will multiply with the upper or with the numerator? So the same number we will multiply with the denominator. So here 11 times 5. So now check the answer. 9 times 5 equals to 45, and 11 times 5 equals to 55. So the equivalent number of 9 divided by 11 is 45 divided by 55. Let's check the answer for the question number 6. So here the answer is A, 45 divided by 55. Let's go to question number 7. So here what is the simplest form of 12 divided by 48? So first write down 12 divided by 48. So here the 12 is a small number rather than the 48. So we will divide 12 divided by 12 and 48 divided by 12. So here 12 divided by 12 equals to 1, and 48 divided by 12 equals to 4. So here the answer is C. So let's go to the question number 9. So what is the mixed number of the fraction 22 divided by 7? So first write down 22 divided by 7. So here 22 divided by 7. Here 3 times 7 equals to 21, and it's a 22 minus 21 equals to 1. So here match with the answer. Here is a 3 is to, this will be go up for the numerator. So here 1 comes and 7 will go down. So here write down 7. So the answer is 3 is to 1 divided by 7. Answer is A. Let's check the answer for question number 9. Here the answer is A, 3 is to 1 divided by 7. Let's go to question number 10. Here express as a fraction 0.42. So first write down 0.42. So first we will match with the number, like if we multiply with 0.42 into 100, it becomes 42. So you can match with the things like 42 divided by 100 equals to 0.42. So we can express it as a 42 divided by 100. Here the answer is A. And let's check the answer. So here the answer is A. So now let's go to the question number 11. So here write 0.150 as a fraction in the simplest form. So first write down the number here, 15 and 0. So 0.150. So after the point we can remove the 0. We can remove it. So it becomes 0.15. So now write down things like 0.15 into 100 equals to 15. So let's check the answer here. So we can make it as like 0.15 match with 15 divided by 100. So now find out the common number. So 5 divided by 15 divided by 5 and 100 divided by 5. So we will divide by 5 with the numerator and the denominator. So 15 divided by 5 and 100 divided by 5. So now 15 divided by 5 equals to 3 and 100 divided by 5 equals to 20. Now match with the answer. So here the answer is C. Option C is the answer. Here 3 divided by 20. Let's check the answer for question number 11. Here the answer is C. So let's go to the question number 12, which is the equal to 17 divided by 25. So here 17 is a numerator. So we will divide 17 by 25. 17 is less than 25. So first we will take a 0 and its point, and against the point we will put a 0 here. Now it's 170. So 170 is bigger than 25. Now 25 multiplied with 6, it's become 150. So here 0 minus 0 equals to 0, 7 minus 5 equals to 2, and 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So 20 is less than 25. So we will take a 0 here, and here 25 times 8 equals to 200. So 200 minus 200 equals to 0. So the answer is D. Here the answer is 0.68. So let's check the answer for the question number 12. Here the answer is D, 0.68. Now let's go to the question number 13. Here express 6.66 as a fraction. So we need to convert it as a mixed fraction. So first write down the number is 6.66. So here we will subtract the 6.66 and minus 6. So here we will get 0.6666. So think x equals to 0.66. So we need to multiply with 10. So here 10 multiply with x equals to 0.66 multiply with 10. So now it's become 10x equals to 6.66, like this way. Okay, so now we need to use the equation. This is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from the equation 2 we will subtract equation 1. So what is it? Like 10x minus x equals to 6.66 minus 0.66. So here 9x equals to 6. So here x equals to 6 divided by 9. So it's a x equals to 6 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3. So here 2/3, 2 divided by 3. So 6 is the main number. So 6 multiply with 2 divided by 3. This is the answer. So here the answer is 6 multiply with 2 divided by 3. This is the answer D. So let's check the answer for question number 13. Here the answer is D. Now let's go to the question number 14. Express 160 as a decimal number. So first write down 160 divided by 99. So here 160 divided by 99. So 99 times 1 equals to here we will write down 99. So here 0, we will borrow 1 from the next digit. Now it becomes 10. So 10 minus 9 equals to 1, and here we have borrowed 1, so 6 minus 1 equals to 5. 5 is less than 9, so we will borrow 1 from the next digit. So now it's become 15. So 15 minus 9 equals to 6, so it's a 61. So 61 is less than 99. We will take a point. Against the point we will put a 0 here, so it's a 610. So 6 times 99 equals to 6 times 9 equals to 4, 54. 4 is here and 5 is a carry, and 5 is a carry, and 6 times 9 is 54 plus 5 equals to 59. So it's a 594. So now it's a 0, so we will borrow 1. It's become 10, and 10 minus 4 equals to 6. And here again we have borrowed 1, so it's a negative 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0, so we will borrow 1 from the next digit. So now it's become 10. 10 minus 9 equals to 1. Sorry, it's a 10 minus 9 equals to 1. So here we have borrowed 1. It's a negative 1. 6 minus 1 equals to 5. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. So it's a 16. So again we will take a 0. So 160 here again. 160. And here 1.6. Here 99. And 1 times 99 equals to 99. And here again 1 comes and 66. It's a 61, and the answer is A. Option A is the answer. So let's check the answer for question number 14. Here the answer is A. Okay, so let's start with the next question. Is 15. So here 1 is to 3 divided by 7, 2 is to 5 divided by 14. So first we will convert. So here 7 times 1 plus 3 equals to 10. So it's a 10 divided by 7. So here 14 times 2 equals to 28 plus 5 equals to 33. So plus 33 divided by 14 plus 5 times 2 equals to 10 plus 1 equals to 11 divided by 2. So here the common denominator is 14, where 7 divide to 14 and 2 also divide to 14. So we will take 14. So here 2 times 7 equals to 14. So here we will multiply with 2 and also multiply with 2 here. Here 14 times 14 equals to 1. So here we will multiply with 1, and here also multiply with 1. And 2 times 7 equals to 14. So here we're gonna multiply with 7 and also multiply with 7 with the numerator. So here 10 multiplied with 2 equals to 20. 33 multiplied with 1 equals to 33. 11 multiplied with 7 equals to 77. Now it's a 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 equals to 10 plus 0 equals to 10. So here 0 comes, 1 is a carry for next digit. So here 7 plus 3 equals to 10 plus 2 equals to 12 plus carry 1. So it's a 13. So it's a 13 divided by 14. So now we need to divide by 2. So 130 divide by 2 and 14 divide by 2. So it's 130 divided by 2 equals to 65 divided by 7. So here 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. So now match with the answer is like 9 times 7 is a 63 plus 2 equals to 65 divided by 7. So the answer is C. Here the answer is C. 9 multiply with 2 divided by 7. Let's check the answer for question number 15. Here the answer is C. Let's come to another question. Question number 16 is here, and first we will convert the number. Here 9 times 3 equals to 27 plus 2 equals to 29. So it's a 29 divided by 3 minus 6 times 2 equals to 12 plus 5 equals to 17 divided by 6. So here we need to write down the 6. So 3 times 2 equals to 6. So we will multiply with 2, 3 times 2, and also multiply with upper digit. It's a 29 multiply with 2. So now here the denominator is same for the both numbers. So here 6 and 6. So 29 times 2 equals to 58 minus 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. So we will multiply with 1 both sides. So here 17 times 1 equals to 17. So now it's become 41 divided by 6. So now find out the 41 divided by 6. So 6 times 6 equals to 36 plus 5 equals to 41 divided by 6. So option A is the answer for this question number 16. Let's check the answer. Here the answer is A. So let's come to question number 17. So here we will just simplification or simplify the number, like 3 times 3 equals to 9 plus 2 equals to 11 divided by 3. Multiply with 2 times 1 equals to 2 plus 1 is a 3 divided by 2. So here 11 divided by 3 multiply with 3 divided by 2. So it's a multiplication. So now come to 11 multiply with 3 and 3 multiply with 2. So here the numerator, under the numerator and the denominator, 3 is common with the relation of multiplication. So we can remove the 3 from here, ups and downs. So now we will get 11 divided by 2. So now we will match the answer, like 5 times 2 equals to 10 plus 1 equals to 11 by 5. So it's not correct. So 5 times 2 equals to 10 plus 1 equals to 11 divided by 2. So now it will match with the answer. So here option C is the answer for question number 17. Now let's check the answer. Here question number 17 answer is C. 5 multiply with 1 divided by 2. So let's go to question number 18, and this is the last math of this tutorial. So find the quotient of 10 times 2 divided by 3 divided by 5 times 1 divided by 6. So first we will simplify the number. So 3 times 10 equals to 30 plus 2 equals to 32. So we will write 32 divided by 3. 3 is a denominator. Now divided by 5 times 6 equals to 30 plus 1 equals to 31 divided by, here the denominator is 6. So 6 will come. So here one thing is, like when the division has come, if we multiply, the next number will be changed its dimension. So here numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. So here it will come down and it will come up. 32 divided by 3. Multiply with, so the 6 will go up and 31 will go down. Now here 3 divided by 6 equals to 2. So here 32 divided by 3 into 1 and multiply with 3 into 2. It's a 31, and now it's come like 32 multiply with 2, because the 3 and 3 will be absolute, and here 32 multiply with 2, and here the denominator is 31. So the final result we will get like 32 multiply with 2 equals to 64, and here the denominator is 31. So now we will match with the answer. So here check, 12 multiply with 1 plus 1 equals to 13 divided by 12. So here this number is less than this, so we will check this one, the D number, option D. So 31 multiply with 2 equals to 62 plus 2 equals to 64 divided by 31. So here the answer is D. Let's check the answer for question number 18. So here the question number 18 answer is 2 multiply with 2 divided by 31.
Again, download this application from App Store or Google Play called HESI Test Prep and study lesson 1. It has plenty of homework in lesson 1. Finish the homework and then take the practice test. Make sure that you get 80% or higher, and then go to the next lesson.